So I think we are almost done with walking around this Hollywood area and doing the tour of Hollywood, and now I think we are going to go to Little Tokyo. So I think we are here now in Little Tokyo. So I think there is a little village as well, and then I can see there is lots of restaurants and shops and things like that on this side of the street. And yeah, just looking to explore this area a bit. Some lemonade. This is vegan gyoza. Yeah, thank you. So that's my gyoza. Not sure what the lemon is for. And this is my vegan bao bun. So today it's our day 3 here, and we're just going to get some breakfast, and I just wanted to show you this. That's a head made out of pumpkin, and this is the hand. It's trying to grab me. Bye bye, pumpkin man. So we just came here to this park next to our Airbnb, and they're doing some exercise classes. Let me show you if you can see in the distance there at the back, people doing some exercises like a group exercise. Just having my coffee here. I'll show you there. There's more exercise going on in the front. We found some swimming pools here as well. There is a tennis court and I think some picnic area. So it's about 11 o'clock now, and I just managed to book my tickets to go to Disneyland, but soon I think we are going to go out, probably go to Koreatown today because I really want to go there, and I want to go to some bookstores as well, so I think that would be interesting. I think we are starting to see some Korean food shops here, so I think we are not too far from Koreatown. We got off at Wilshire, Vermont, so I think that Koreatown is the next stop. So I think this is a Korean restaurant here, so we must be getting closer to Koreatown. So I can see BCD Tofu House, so someone just told us that it's a really good restaurant, so we might try that. And then there is Koreatown Plaza, PTP. Cornbread. So I'm just walking around looking at different places. There is so much choice here, and I don't think I have had much Korean food in the past. So I'm just trying to decide what I want to eat. I think I'm definitely getting that bingsu shaved ice. I hope they have in vegan version. So I've got some miso stew, red miso stew, and I think it comes with some rice. It's a purple rice and some side dishes. So beans, I think that's radish, and pickles and some Coca-Cola. Oh my god. Hey, let's start. So I suppose you have to take some rice, dip it in the soup, eat it that way, I think. Actually really good. So I think there are some beans in the rice. Nice. I think the stew has some vegetables. There is some tofu in it. Some green onions. Ah. So hot. This is the bean. I think in Korea they have lots of side dishes with the main meal. Radish, I think. I think they have all sorts of seaweed here. So this whole aisle is for seaweed, and this whole aisle is for all the chips. I think all the Korean chips. I think they have lots of clothes shops and then cosmetics, and then the food court was in the basement. So if you're looking for a place to go in Koreatown, go to Koreatown Plaza. There you can see different shops and restaurants and things like that. And I think there is another place, it's called Galleria, which is not too far from here, so we might go there. I really want to try some vegan bingsu. There are a couple of places they sell bingsu here, but then there was no vegan one, so I really hope I find some vegan bingsu. Not to forget, there is a shop called Music Plaza. So if you're into BTS, you will have to come here. So just opposite to Koreatown Plaza, you can see there are more Korean barbecue and Korean restaurant place. So I think there is lots more places on that side of the road. So that's another place to explore in Koreatown. I think we are going there. Galleria, Koreatown. So they have a big supermarket here. So here in Galleria, I think again they have lots of cosmetic shops, clothes shops that I can see, and I think there is a food court up there. So I'm looking for a vegan bingsu. So I'm going to see if I can find it. So this is my vegan bingsu, vegan shaved ice. So this is the shaved ice underneath, and there is fruit on top and ice cream. Vegan shaved ice. Oh, I think I'm going to get brain freeze in a minute. So I've got some fruit. There is some shaved ice. I think there is red beans on top. So kiwi and banana. I think the red bean thing is quite new for me. I need to eat some fruit because I've been eating really bad food for the last few days. So there is a Gangnam Station here. All you can eat Korean barbecue. Yeah, another Korean place here. So we just got back from Koreatown, then we explored the last bookstore. We picked up a book from the last bookstore. So I'll show you what that book is. So it's this book. It's called A Conversation with God, The New Revelations. It was in the category of New Age spirituality type of thing. So just picked up that for $4, which is actually a good price. I think it's a used book. And on the way back, I picked up a Subway. So a Subway and some Doritos that came with it and Coke. So that's going to be my dinner for today. Koreatown is great if you're into Korean food and if you want to buy Korean groceries or clothes or cosmetics and stuff like that. I preferred the food that I ate in Little Tokyo as well, so Japanese food. So yeah, so I wanted to talk about the how much choice there is about things to do, things you can buy, things you can eat here. I mean, it's good to have variety, but when there is so much variety about food, things to do, sometimes it can be a bit too much. When I feel a little bit tired in the evening, I feel that everything is a bit too much. But when I wake up in the morning and I've got something new to do, I'm really, really excited to go and explore. But that's just my veggie delight. So it has got, I think, sweet onion, lots of salad, and honey mustard sauce. So so yeah, so I think I'm going to eat my Subway and then have a shower and then relax for the rest of the evening, watch YouTube videos. That's my realistic evening routine. So I've just had my shower and I feel refreshed after a day of traveling. So I really hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you're enjoying the videos from Los Angeles. There are lots more videos to come. So if you did, please give it a like and leave a comment. And thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.